Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to copy and share your Roblox profile link on Android. Let's get started. Launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Tap the three dots or more icon at the bottom right corner of the app. From the menu, select Profile to access your Roblox profile page. Now click the icon that visible in the left side of the Edit Profile button. Click Copy button, and now you can share this link to anyone by pasting out direct share from here. However, you can use a browser to get your profile link. Open a browser like Chrome, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your username in the top right corner. Once on your profile page, copy the URL from the address bar. Now that you have copied your profile link, you can share it with friends. Open any messaging app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or email, paste the link and send it. Bonus tip: bookmark your link for easier access in the future. Save your profile link in your browser's bookmarks or in a Notes app. And that's it. You have successfully copied and shared your Roblox profile link on Android. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.